everyone, this is Rudra welcoming you to RS Gaming Evolution. So today I'm going to talk about an issue that is faced by many people and that I was facing personally, and that is 0% utilization of your GPU. Now while you're using Nvidia Overlay, or if you're using Xbox Game Bar Overlay, it is showing 0% GPU utilization even if you're playing heavy games like God of War, Prototype, or GTA 5. So I was really frustrated because I did not know what this game is doing to my GPU. By chance, if it was using 100% of its utilization, there was a possibility that I might have faced some glitches on my graphics, some frame rate issues, overheating issues. So I wanted to fix it. So after doing some extensive research, I found a few solutions that I'm going to share with you. So let's start. So the first solution I found that you need to reinstall your graphic drivers. Now you cannot just go to add remove programs and then just search on Nvidia and uninstall all of these. No, it doesn't work like that. You cannot like completely uninstall your graphic drivers. Some files will be there and your issue will not be fixed. So what you need to do, you need to have at least 3 softwares downloaded. Those 3 softwares are DDU, that is display driver installer, second is Nvidia cleanup tool, and third is your graphic driver. Now you must be looking here, that is GeForce experience, and there is notebook window to international blah blah blah. So this is the online installer basically, and this is the offline installer. That's the only difference. It is your choice whether you want to use online installer or offline installer. It's your choice completely. Now what you need to do first to use these softwares, it's their link are mentioned on the video description as well. First of all, you need to click on window button and click advanced startup. Click on change advanced startup options and click on restart now. So once you click on restart now, it will show you some options like troubleshoot, reset PC, continue. So first of all, you need to click on troubleshoot and then click on startup options and then click on restart. Once you do it, it will show you a few options. You just need to press 4, numeric 4. That's it. Once you're going to press 4, it will start safe mode. Without safe mode, if you start either cleanup tool or either DDU, it is not going to work. If you want to see a demo that it is not going to work without safe mode, so just I'm going to show it to you. I'm opening display installer and then it will show me here detected that you're not in safe mode. For better cleanup without issues, it is recommended that you reboot into safe mode. So it is also showing that you should use it on safe mode only. Now once you are in safe mode, what you need to do, you just need to click here and then click on GPU and then click on Nvidia. If you're using AMD, then click on AMD. Now I have Nvidia graphic card, so I can explain for Nvidia only. So just click GPU and then Nvidia and then clean and restart. That's it. So that should be the first thing that you should be doing. The second thing that you need to do once you restart your computer for any remaining file, now you can use this cleanup tool by going again to the safe mode as well, or else you can use it on normal mode as well, but I recommend that you should go to safe mode again and use this cleanup tool to completely rid of any file that is remaining. Now once you have used cleanup tool, then the third thing that you need to do, start your computer on normal mode. Either download it this GeForce experience, that is online installation, or you can download it the offline installation. It is your choice, and reinstall your softwares completely. Now once you are done with software install, what you need to do, the second step is go to Nvidia control panel here. So adjust image settings with preview. Again, it is your choice. I just keep it on let 3D application decide because it helps my game to run lag free, because my game is going to decide what it needs rather than I force some settings to it. Okay, now let's come to the main part, that is GPU 0% utilization. So the first solution was to reinstall graphic driver, and if it doesn't work, then second solution is by default it might be set on auto select, but what you need to do, you need to click on high performance Nvidia processor. right? So if you do it, then your computer is going to force any graphic intensive application to use high performance Nvidia processor. Set FISEC configuration, it should be on auto select, but you need to again click on Nvidia GeForce, whatever your graphic card is. That's it. Still, if still it doesn't resolve your issue, then the third solution that I'm going to give you is going to 100% fix your issue. So the third fix is click on window button, type game, and then click on game mode settings, graphics. You must see there are many software that I added. So what you need to do, I'm going to show you. Just a moment. Let me show you what I did to fix this issue. So first of all, if 0% utilization issue you are facing with Xbox Game War, so click on Microsoft Store app, browse, search game bar, click on it, options. There must be these options that you would see. Power saving is your integrated GPU and high performance is your dedicated GPU, and that's what you need. So click on high performance, save. Now if you are facing with Nvidia overlay or any other overlay, then you need to click on desktop app, browse, find your Nvidia driver, like mine are there with program files, and there is okay, Nvidia Corporation, Nvidia GeForce Experience. Now first of all I'm going to add GeForce Experience, again set it on high performance, and then but see, GeForce Experience might be having the function of overlay, but the overlay software actually is Nvidia Share. So you need to click on Nvidia Share and then add it, keep it on high performance, and that's it. This should fix your issue. The first solution was reinstall your drivers. Second solution was forcing your computer to use Nvidia graphic card drivers, and third option is this one. Now to show you that it actually works, I'm going to start my overlay. So I'm just click on Alt plus R, and then here's my Nvidia overlay. And now I'm going to click Window plus G, and here is my performance. I'm going to pin it. That's it. I should start a game now. So let's start prototype. Okay. Actually, Prototype is my like favorite game. You should also play it. Like I never get bored while I play this game. Now I know this is a very old game. It was released in 2012, but still, for me, it is still a game that I want to play when I'm bored. So here I started a game. You can see on your screen, it is showing me 99, 97 FPS, and then CPU utilization and then GPU utilization. GPU utilization now it is shown in both